Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and as you already may know, I love breakfast. It's a good way to start off your morning and a great excuse to have some delicious sweet treats. So with that being said, let's whip up a delicious vegan French toast. Let's dive in. Take out a bowl or a piece of Tupperware and make sure it's large enough to fit in a piece of bread. Add in almond milk, flour, and sugar. On to the secret ingredient that makes this really stand out, cinnamon and vanilla extract. Give it a good whisk and make sure there aren't any dry clumps remaining. Once that's all whisked up, get out a non-stick pan, turn the heat up to high, and start melting some vegan butter. Now take out a piece of bread, dip one side of it in the batter, flip it over, and then into the pan. Keep it on its face for about a minute before flipping it over and letting the other side cook for another minute. It should have this beautiful freckled char to it when it's all done. With a batch this size, we should get around 8 pieces of toast out of it. Once they're all cooked up, get out the syrup and let's plate this dish. It's breakfast time. Now our toast is nice and fluffy, and with that cinnamon and vanilla in there, it really stands out. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite breakfast foods in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Mommy, back away from that.